Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing Baby Grinch. In this video, it's all about big feelings and big kindness. Grab your crayons and paper, let's draw together. Are you ready? Let's go! And if you love drawing and smart stories, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Let me tell you about our grumpy cutie star. The Grinch is a famous character from Dr. Seuss. He lives up on a snowy mountain and sometimes feels grouchy. Have you ever felt grouchy too? That's okay. Everyone has feelings, even Baby Grinch. Here's a secret. The Grinch learns that kindness can change a day. When he feels lonely, he acts mean. But when someone is kind, his heart feels warm. Lesson 1. Feelings are clues, not bosses. We can name our feeling, then choose what to do next. You can say, I feel grumpy. I will take a breath. Let's try a slow breath together. In and out. Nice! Lesson 2. Small kind acts are superpowers. A smile, a thank you, or a high five can turn a frown into a tiny grin. Baby Grinch loves tiny grins. Guess what happens when Baby Grinch visits Whoville for the first time? He sneaks in with a little huff and a little puff, trying to look tough. But then he smells fresh cookies and hears giggles. A little Who offers him the last cookie on the plate. Uh-oh, what do you think Baby Grinch would do? He takes one nibble, crunch, and his eyes get wide. He doesn't say thank you yet because he's shy, but his tummy says yum, and his heart feels a tiny warm spark. What do you think happened next? Did he share the crumbs with his dog pal Max or save a piece for later? If you think that's sweet and silly, give this video a big like. Now it's fun fact time. Lean in. Fun fact 1. The Grinch comes from a book by Dr. Seuss, first printed in 1957. That was a long time ago, but the Grinch is still famous today because stories help us feel and think. Fun fact 2. In the original book, the Grinch wasn't green all over. A classic cartoon made him green, and that color stuck. Fun fact 3. Dr. Seuss's real name was Theodore Seuss Geisel. He wrote and drew over 60 books for kids. Wow! The Grinch has a dog named Max. Max is loyal, kind, and patient. Max teaches us lesson 3. Good friends stay gentle, even when others feel grumpy. Keep drawing and coloring with me. The final picture will make you smile. Let's think about feelings again. When Baby Grinch feels mad, what can he try? Here are 3 kid power moves. Take 3 slow breaths in. In, out. In, out. In, out. Name the feeling. I feel mad. When we name it, we can tame it. Try one small kind act. Share a toy, say please, or help clean up. Our brains love kindness. When we help, our brains send happy signals, like tiny fireworks saying, good job. More Grinchy goodies. Fun fact 5. The Grinch lives on Mount Crumpet and looks down at Whoville. Being alone can make anyone feel left out. If you feel left out, you can ask, can I play too? That's brave and kind. Fun fact 6. In the story, the Grinch's heart grows when he chooses love over grump. Hearts grow when we share, listen, and care. Fun fact 7. Music helps. The Who's love to sing. Singing together helps people feel connected. Music is a hug for your ears. Here's a mini challenge. What kind words could you say to Baby Grinch? Maybe, you can sit with us, or want to build a snow friend? Words can be warm blankets for the heart. Keep those crayons moving. Our Baby Grinch is getting extra adorable. Before we finish, let's do a quick kindness plan you can use today. Pick one person. Think of one kind thing. Do it with a smile. Tiny acts add up to something big. Wow, you did amazing! Today we drew Baby Grinch and learned 3 big lessons. Feelings are okay. Name them and breathe. Kind acts are superpowers that can change a day. Friends like Max show patience and care. And if you love smart stories and art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video on Let's Draw and Learn. See you next time, friends. Bye!